Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to study about header and footer, formatting, subscript, superscript, etc. So we will start the practical session now. Let's begin. How to open MS Word? Just keep your cursor, bring your cursor on start button, click on start button, select Microsoft Word 2010. In this way you can open MS Word. If you want to open any recent document, this is the File tab, click on File tab. If you want to open any recent document, single click on the desired document. In this way you can open any recent document. Now, if you want to copy formatting to another selection using Format Painter, let us see the steps. This is the Home tab, click on the Home tab. This part is called the clipboard. First, you have to select the text. In this way, you have to select the text that has the formatting that you want to copy. Now, on File tab on clipboard, click on Format Painter. This is the icon of Format Painter. Click on Format Painter. The pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. Now select the text or graphic that you want to format. See the result, your text is formatted now. In this way, you can copy formatting to another selection. Now let us know about superscript and subscript. If you want to write any formula, for example, I will write H2O here. Select the text that you want to subscript like this. Now bring your cursor on Home tab. From Home tab you have to select this. This is the subscript icon. Click on this subscript icon. Like this way you can apply subscript to your text. Another example of superscript. If you want to write class as a 7th, if you want to write this TH just above the text written on the line, select the text that you want to superscript. Now go on Home tab, this is the Home tab, and select the superscript option. Click on this superscript option. In this way you can apply superscript to your text. Sometimes you have to search for a particular word or a phrase in your long document. You can quickly search a specified word or a phrase with the help of Find option. Let us see the practical how you will find any word or phrase in your document. This is the Home tab. You have to click on this Home tab. Then this is the editing group. This part is called the editing group. From editing group you have to click on Find option. This is the Find option. Click on Find option. When you click on Find option, navigation pane will be appear on the screen. This is the navigation pane. This is the search box. You have to type the word which you want to search in your document here. Suppose I will type PowerPoint here. And press the enter button or result button. This is the navigation pane. I will write PowerPoint here in the search box and click the result button or enter button. Then the PowerPoint word will be highlighted in your document. See here in the document all the PowerPoint words are highlighted. In this way you can search any word or a phrase in your document. Now I will close the navigation pane. Just click on this cross button. If you want to find and replace any phrase or a word, let us see the steps how you will replace any word in your document. This is the Home tab. First you have to click on Home tab. Already it is open. Now this is your editing group. From the editing group, click on the replace option. This is the replace option. Click on this replace option. When you click on replace option, find and replace dialog box will be appear on the screen. This is the find and replace dialog box. In front of find what, write the word which you want to search. It is written here PowerPoint. Now type the word which you want to replace with. Instead of PowerPoint, I want to replace it with presentation. And click on find next option. This is the find next option. Click on find next option. Now the PowerPoint word will be highlighted, which if you want to replace, click on replace option. This is the replace button. Click on replace button. See here, the PowerPoint word is replaced with presentation. Now it is written Microsoft presentation. Again the next PowerPoint word is highlighted. If you want to replace it, click on replace button again, and this way you can replace any word in your document. If you want to replace all, click on replace all button. In this way you can find and replace any word or a phrase in your document. Close the find and replace box. This is the close button. You have to click on this close button. Now let us see the steps how you will add a page number from the gallery. If you want to give page number in your document, let us see the steps. Click on insert tab. This is the insert tab. You have to click on this insert tab. Click on header and footer. This part is called the header and footer. Click on page number. Click on this page number. Subtools will be appear on the screen. From that you have to select any one option. If you want a page number on top of page, select the top of page. If you want page number on bottom of the page, select the bottom of the page. Now I will select top of page and select any one style from here which you want to give. Now see, the page number is written on the header part. Page number 1, this is your page number 2, this is your page number 3. In this way you can give page number to your document. Now if you want to add header and footer to your document, let us see the step how you will add header and footer to your document. This is the insert tab. First you have to click on this insert tab. This part is called the header and footer part. Click on header. Select any one of these. I will select this. Single click on this. This is your, in this way you can insert header in your document. This is the page number first. From first you have to see header section 1 like this, section 2. In this way you can insert header and footer. This part is called the footer and this part is called header part of your document. If you want to close header and footer, click on this option, close header and footer. If you want to insert footer in your document, click on insert button. This is the insert button. This is the header and footer part. This is the footer icon. Click on this footer. Select anyone from these. I will select this. Single click on this. In this way you can insert footer in your document. If you want the first page should be different, click on this different option. Now see, this is the first page which is different first page, and other page see have the same header. On this also it has the same headers. Here also on page number 3 all have the same header, only the first page have the different header. If you want to show different ordered even pages, click on this in the checkbox, click here. Now it will show, see the result here. Just scroll, first page header it is. Now it is a even page header, section 1. Again scroll, it is a odd page. In this way it will show the even and odd page. just deselect it. If you want to remove header and footer from your document, click on Insert tab. Click on this header option and click on the remove header option. In this way you can remove header in your document. If you want to remove footer, same, click on Insert tab. This is the Insert tab. Click on footer option and select the remove footer option. Click on remove footer option. In this way you can remove footer from your document. With this we come to the end of the practical session. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.